Hello, my name is Nafula and welcome to the second video of teaching you how to make money on YouTube. So this is a series that teaches you how to create a YouTube channel and hopefully potentially make an income out of your YouTube channel. And today we're going to start from scratch. I'm just going to assume that everybody doesn't know how to create a YouTube channel. So we'll create a YouTube channel and then we'll go from there, and then I'll show you how to monetize it and then how to start making money off of it. Before creating a YouTube channel, you need to pay attention to certain important things that you need to have before you actually create your YouTube channel. One is the name of the channel. What do you want the channel to be? Do you want it to be your name, or do you want to be your business, or do you want to be what you stand for, what you advocate for? What will your name of your channel be? And this is important because your name is going to be linked to whatever you do on that channel. Number two, you have to decide what language are you going to use on that channel. Are you going to use Swahili? Are you going to use English? Are you going to use vernacular language? What language are you going to use in that YouTube channel? So that way, which leads us to the third thing, which is your target audience. What audience are you targeting? If you're targeting audience in Kenya, definitely Kiswahili will work for you. But if you want to target a worldwide audience, then you might want to stick with English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, or whatever languages that is spoken in more than one country. Those are the things you need to think about before you start a YouTube channel. And you're going to ask me, why does the name matter? Because, like, for example, if you're starting a YouTube channel about cooking and then you're calling yourself Nafula Shalin, somebody looking at Nafula Shalin will not know like what you do on your channel. So they'll have to dig in to find out what you're doing on your channel, and you don't want to do that because there's a lot of YouTubers. So now with the audience, they click on a video, and then if that video, they don't know what's going on in that video, they click out, or maybe they don't subscribe. That's why you find people, they have millions of views, but they don't have subscribers. Why? Because sometimes whatever they saw in that video, they don't see it, or it doesn't reflect in other videos. Which brings us to the point where, what is your topic? You have to think about the topics you're going to discuss and don't jump around. I know, my YouTube channel here, I talk about like DV lottery. Now I'm jumping on how to make money on YouTube. Don't do mistakes like that if you're a new YouTuber, because you can lose a lot of subscribers or people who are watching your channel previously. So don't gamble with that unless you are an established YouTuber and people know who you are and what you stand for. So if you're a new YouTuber, stick to one topic. And why is that? Because somebody watches one video, they like the video, they go to your channel, they watch another video which is similar to that, and they will subscribe because they're interested in that content. But if somebody clicks on your channel and then they go and find now you're dancing, and then the next thing you're cooking, and then the next thing you're teaching about YouTube, there's a lot of confusion and they don't feel like they have a need to subscribe to your channel. Now we'll talk about how to start a YouTube channel. The most important thing, what you need, especially before you start a YouTube channel, what you need is your phone or a computer that's connected to the internet. Internet is important if you're going to make money online. If you don't have a way of having consistent internet, money, you're going to be scaling stories of usasa, because you need stable internet to make money online. Another thing that you'll need a stand. Like I said, you need a tripod stand, the one that I'm using to actually shoot this video. So I don't need somebody to hold my camera. I can just stick it on the stand and then I'm good to go. To create a YouTube channel, you need an email address. You cannot use any email address. It has to be ending at gmail.com. At gmail.com usually is associated with your Google account. So you're going to be creating on Google. And the reason why I use a Gmail account, and I insist you use this, is because when you use a Gmail account, you can create a YouTube channel, you can create a Google AdSense account, you can create a lot of things. Everything Google related is going to be hooked to that account. In other words, you can log into your Google account and you'll be able to see your emails, you can be able to watch YouTube, you can be able to do everything just using that email account. So we're going to create a Gmail account. Secondly, we're going to convert that Gmail account into a YouTube account. So I'll show you different ways on how you can do that. It's very, very easy. I'm going to jump into a YouTube studio and then I'm going to show you the basic needs or the basic things that you need to use on your YouTube studio. It has a lot of things, but because you're new on YouTube, I'm going to be teaching you step by step. So we're going to just focus on the stuff that you need. The other stuff, you'll learn as you go. Some things I've never used them even right now. So I'll just show you the basic needs or the basic things that you just need to make money on YouTube and go. The rest of the stuff you'll learn later. So we'll jump into the YouTube Studio, and a lot of you have been asking, why can't I see like how much I'm making on YouTube? On Studio, that's where you find out how much you're making. But if your channel is not monetized, then you cannot make money on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel, and then hopefully I'm going to show you how to monetize that account and what are the requirements to monetize an account, and then hopefully you can start making money on YouTube. Let's jump to creating a YouTube account. I'm going to name my account Nafula Free YouTube Channel, because this channel I plan on giving somebody else. So this channel is going to be monetized, and then I'm going to gift it to a lucky winner. So it will be ready to be monetized. I'm not going to monetize it. I'm going to let you monetize it, because if I do it, then it's hard to switch it. So I'm going to let you monetize it. Once I have the watch hours and whatever subscribers I need, I'll give this channel to somebody else and they will monetize and make money off of it. But then I'm not just going to give to a random person. I'm going to give it to somebody who's putting whatever I'm teaching you into account. So you're going to be creating a YouTube channel. You're going to be uploading videos and you're going to be making good content. And I have to make sure like you're doing that before I give you a channel, because I'm not going to give somebody a channel who's just going to waste it and it's monetized. So you have to put in the effort. So if you're not watching my videos, you better start watching my videos to know how to set up a YouTube channel correctly. Today we'll be doing the YouTube channel setting up, and then tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how to make your YouTube channel presentable to other people so that they can subscribe, because you know there's so many channels that you don't get subscribers because of how the channel is set up. So I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel. So today is going to be creating a YouTube channel, and then tomorrow we're going to be dealing with how to create a YouTube banner and how to create a attractive channel so that everybody who clicks on that channel will subscribe and hopefully help you make money. Okay, we're gonna jump real quick to create a YouTube channel. It's gonna be so easy, it takes like 2 seconds. So whatever browser you're gonna use on the screen, I use Mac, I love Mac. So I use Safari a lot, but then for the purposes of like other people who live in other countries, they like to use Google Chrome, Firefox, I don't know, Mozilla, whatever, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you use. You can go to any browser. Let's use Google Chrome. So you're gonna click on Chrome and it brings you right here on Google search, because you know what, I saved it as, you know, like that. But if not, you can just type google.com and then it will bring you to the same exact thing. So to create a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account, but then I prefer to create a Google account, because if you create a Google account, which is the same as Gmail account, it's going to log you into the YouTube, into your Gmail, and into your Google, like if in case you know you're searching stuff and you need to save it. So you're going to click on the sign in here. To create a channel, you click on the sign in. You're going to go down here and it says create an account. So you're going to go there, and then it's going to be for your personal use. And then you're going to put your name. I'll just put Nafula here. You can do the birthday. You can do anything here, like literally. You can put any birthday, gender you can choose to say, rather not say, or whatever, they don't care. And then you're gonna click next. And then you get a code sent to your phone. And then we have to enter the recovery email here, and then next. And then you agree to the terms of like whatever, YouTube, Google, whatever, and then you click confirm. And now we have created a Google account. So you can turn a Google account into a YouTube account, and I'm gonna show you there's 2 ways to do it. So the first way to do it, which is the easiest way to do it, you can just like go, let me search myself. So if you go to my account and maybe click on a video, if I click on the comment section, so if you go to here, and then if I type in a comment, if my comment goes through and I click comment, then it's going to turn this account into a YouTube account. So that's one way of doing it. Just go to somebody's video, put a comment there. It's going to automatically turn your Google account into, or your YouTube account into a YouTube channel. You can do that the first way. The second way, you can create YouTube channel, which we're gonna do. You're gonna click on the name here. This is not the account that's gonna be associated with whatever we're gonna give out. This is just, I'm just gonna put this because I don't like to expose the account that somebody's gonna monetize it. So this is just for training purposes, but this is not gonna be the Gmail account associated with that YouTube account. So here, another way of doing it. So the first way to create a YouTube channel, first go to somebody's video, comment on that after creating a Google account, and then it creates a YouTube channel automatically for you. The second way is just click here, and up here it says create a channel, and then you're gonna click create a channel, and then, you know, it's gonna give you handles, and then you can just say, like I can say in a full of free. And then once I do that, then I say create channel, and then voila, we have a YouTube channel like that. So if your channel looks like this, when you log in, you see it says more about this channel, automatically creates a channel for you. So now we have a YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you a few things about this YouTube channel that's important. So this is going to be your user, like your handle. So if somebody types in a full of free, it's going to bring them right to your channel. That's what the handle is for. Homepage here, like all this, probably you guys have been using this side, so you know. So I'm going to just focus on the YouTube channel. So we're going to be working a lot out of the YouTube studio. So when you click on your name on your right, it's going to bring something that's called a YouTube studio. So a lot of creators work out of this. So we don't even look at other stuff on YouTube. We just go here, like especially if you want to create content, delete content, do whatever, check how much you made, is going to be here. So here is your dashboard. Here is your name. You can change your image. You can put a picture here. Here it says your channel name. And then over here is your dashboard. Your dashboard has, like, you know, if you upload videos, you're going to see them here. But now we don't have any videos uploaded. So it's going to be just blank. And then analytics, it's going to bring you like how many views, watch time hours. It's going to show you how much you made. But then this channel is pretty new. So you know what, this is going to be blank as well. And then here, you know, just YouTube trying to tell you, okay, this is what you can do to create a YouTube channel. You know, they have like educational videos on the side. Here is content. Every time you upload your videos, you're gonna find the information here, like all the videos you've uploaded, the view numbers, the dates you uploaded, usually if it's public or private or whatever, you're gonna be able to see all that here. And then if you go to analytics, it's gonna be things that I showed you in my last video, like how many views you got, how many watch hours, how many subscribers you earned from that video, and how much you made if you're monetized. But because we're not monetized, it doesn't bring how much your revenue is. And then community, I rarely use this tab. Subtitles, I don't even use this. I just started using, like, if you have time, you can use it, but you really don't. Copyright is if somebody copies your content. When you click this copyright, it's going to bring those videos right here, and you can just report them, have them deleted, or they can even take down that channel. Like if it's literally like copyright, a couple strikes, and then you can lose your channel. Earn is how much you make, but then like I said, you need watch hours, so which we don't qualify at this point. So, well, that's not for right now. Customization is where we're gonna look at this in a different video, where I'm gonna show you how to create a banner. So next video is gonna be how to create a banner, how to change the profile picture. We can choose different names, we can choose different handles, and then pronoun is like the people who prefer to be called he, she, they. And then this is gonna be a description of your channel. This is the URL, like if you type this link anywhere, then somebody's gonna find your channel. And then we're gonna add some links, so we can add links to your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok. They're gonna be here. And then contact information, which is really important. You have to add an email address that you want people to contact you on, and make sure this email address is not the email address associated with the account again, because I said hackers can take advantage of that and they can steal it. And then here, if you need video to watermark stuff or anything, then that goes right here. So that's pretty much how you create a YouTube channel, and that's the basic just run through on what these items are. So once we start creating content and customizing our channel, then we'll do a little bit more in the coming videos. Thanks for watching.